only between the two of you, but in front of the whole family. Welcome to the family. This message is from Tita Annie. And this is very long. She wants me to read this. And while Tita Menchi is doing her job. To continue, I know that it has been like a roller coaster ride in your relationship for both of you. It is not easy to build a family, spend or plan the rest of your life together. Two individuals with strong will, mind, both ambitious, and have both the ability to fulfill plans and dreams. It is common now to build a relationship from a distance. For families to be in different continents and to be successful in combining two cultures. You have to remember you are not only combining your country's culture, but the most important, your family's culture as well. How your parents brought you up, which I believe is the most important. I admit it's not easy, but doable. If you have faith in each other, trust in each other, and above all, love each other, it will prevail. Remember this, to commit yourself to someone for the rest of your life freely means you believe that the person you choose will honor you, believe in you, trust you, and love you. To Hamid, take care of Fatima. This is not from here, this is from Tita Annie. Take care of Fatima. She is Lolo Papay and Lola Mamay, first and oldest grandchild. Tama ba, Pai? Product of Kuya Burning, and I believe my siblings will agree that she is a product of everybody's favorite sister, Ate Lilian. She is a jewel. You hit the jackpot, Hamid. You just have to know and learn the value and possibilities of this jewel. Because she can shine no matter where she is and what the situation is. And to Fatima, stop crying. I know that you're crying right now. You know that we love you so much. You are complete. Believe in yourself. Thank you for being you. Remember, you have the it. To both of you, be calm, be still. Let each other grow as a partner, as a parent, but above all as individuals. Because you two choose each other and you have found something beautiful in each other. You can see that. Meron mga kontra. Treasure it. It is rare to find someone you love and loves you in return. To Papay and Kuya Bernie, congratulations with your new apo and your new son-in-law. May the good Lord bless your union, future and family. And Amira, I love you, Amira. Baby Amira, you complete the family. Congratulations from Tita Yuhan, Alice, and John. We are sending our love and hugs to all of you, to everybody, and let us raise our glass for Fatima and Hamid. Mabuhay! Cheers! Skol! I love you, Tita Annie.